Hello Year 5, it's time for our activity. Let's get to it. Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be playing a game called Footy Golf. This activity is to practice our kicking accuracy and to learn how to control the ball, and we're going to be doing that through kicking this ball through those goalposts. As I just mentioned, the purpose of today's lesson is to help you work on your kicking skills, focusing mainly on accuracy control. Not so much power, because power is not the main focus here, because we want the ball to go through the post. Doesn't matter how you get it through there, it has to go through the posts. Now, last week, we learned about how to kick a ball by placing on the ground and aiming towards a soccer goal, which is a lot easier to hit because it's a massive goalpost that we can hit the ball through. However, this requires a lot more precision as you've got a much smaller window for error. Now, you'll know you're successful if you're able to kick this ball through the stumps, as you can see over there, from different distances. We can have a distance here, and distance over here, if you're more advanced, of course. Okay, so this is to replicate footy goalpost. As I mentioned before, this will challenge your accuracy because it's the main objective of today, and you'll be able to control your kicks more precisely. You'll know you're successful if you can kick the ball, as I mentioned, through the posts from different distances, if you can aim accurately and control your power so you don't launch the ball elsewhere. I'm going to demonstrate now the activity as to what I mean. So, when you're kicking the ball, I want you to place your foot, your planted foot, I want it flat, pointing to where you're aiming at, and your other foot, if you're right-footed, I want you to kick it with your right foot flat, horizontally like this. Much more control, and my left foot, the planted foot, was aiming at the goalpost. Now, as I mentioned, that left foot is the key point here, because if you're aiming like this or this, it won't be as accurate. Now, remember, when you kick, keep your eyes on the ball as well. That's another key point. My eyes were always on the ball and my foot when I was kicking, and I followed through. I didn't look elsewhere, because that can deter you from your accuracy. Alright everyone, spread behind your lines. There's going to be lines over here. I want 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. Now you can pick which distance you want. The starting point should be here. If you feel more comfortable, you're more than welcome to go over here. Okay Cameron, come on, come and test that out for us. Excellent. He kept his foot on, he kept his planted foot aiming towards the goalpost, and his right foot followed through. As I mentioned, if you're left-footed, use your left foot. Alright everyone. Now, great job Cameron, that was an excellent demonstration. You saw how he kept his eyes on the ball. Now, Emma, that was also very, very well done. Good job. Now, can anyone tell me why it's important to keep, as I've been mentioning throughout this lesson, your eyes on the ball? Yes Cameron, can you tell me? Excellent point Cameron, you're correct. You kept your eyes on the ball because you need to focus and visualize where you're kicking it. Because if you're looking elsewhere, you could miss completely the target because the goalpost is there, not there, not there. Excellent. Now, if anyone is finding it a bit tricky, don't worry. We can move the line, as I said here. We can go a bit more closer if you like, if he's a bit too far. Or if you're feeling more advanced, you can go even further away. Now, everyone, have a go. I'll even demonstrate from a bit further away. A key point to remember, when you're doing this activity, remember how I put you all in line, wait your turn and give the person who's kicking a bit more space, as you do not want to interfere with their shot or hit them, because if someone's behind me, I could accidentally, when I'm swinging kicking, I could hit them. There's all sorts of things. Or you don't want to be in the zone of the kicking, because if I kick the ball and someone's in front, I could hit them and injure them. We do not want that. So here, straight through. Let's do some alteration with this. Let's have some fun. We can implement maths into this activity, and I want you to count how many times you successfully can kick this ball through these goalposts, which you can form teams of 2 or even 3 if you like, and then whichever team has the most points at the end of it, whoever's kicked the ball more successfully in succession through the goalpost will be the winner of today's activity. Let's do it.